Hey guys, so I'm just adding on this quick little side note. I went ahead and posted the finished picture of my witch hat up on a sewing group, and I got a lot of really nice comments, but I also got some really good advice. So I'd asked other people what they did with their witch hats, and someone had suggested, well not suggested, they had said that they had changed out the wire in the brim of their hat from like a non-flexible one to like a flexible wire, and I was like racking my brain about what to do about the fact that my witch hat looked a little bit like a gothic sombrero because the brim is just perfectly round and it's very big. It's not too big. If it was more floppy, it would look fine. So then I got the idea after, well, I didn't really get the idea. I read the smart thing that someone had commented saying they switched out the wire. And so I went down to the Dollar Tree, grabbed myself some bendable floral wire, and I went ahead and just did this last DIY finishing touch on my hat. So now you can see it actually is bent all around the sides, which means when I put it on, I can go ahead and shape it. So this was just the update I wanted to tell you guys. The really cool thing about being able to shape it is now I can bend it upward, kind of like a bonnet, or tuck it in on the sides, and now it doesn't look as much like a sombrero, it actually looks more like a bonnet, which I think looks so cute. It looks like a big, just like droopy, cute hat. So very happy with this recommendation from my friends over on the sewing groups. Yeah, so I'm like 10 times more happy with my hat right now. So yeah, thank you guys again, and that's just how I'm gonna leave this video off, and I will see you guys next time.